put it under my foundation, then I put my foundation on, then I dab a little bit even over the top. This is the reason, sorry, rumbling stomach, the eyes and Retinol Youth Renewal Eye Serum. What you're getting is you're getting vitamin C and you're getting retinol, but at a level that sensitive skin around the eyes can tolerate. Obviously, both of these come in the full size for the rest of the face. Sorry, my stomach is rumbling. It's my birthday today and I'm going out for supper tonight and I want to leave enough room for all the sushi, especially seeing it's the first time I've been to a restaurant since lockdown. Does that look shockingly familiar? That's my stomach rumbling.